Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey everyone, in today's Bricks Builder tutorial, we will be going over responsive lists, creating responsive lists. So let's say on desktop, you want your list to be multi-column, but obviously multi-column lists do not look right on mobile. So let's say you want your um, list of bullet points to be 4 columns on a desktop, but you want it to shrink to just one long column or 2 columns um, on mobile. So this tutorial will teach you how to do that. And it's actually not hard at all. Bricks Builder actually makes it really simple using the developments to make your list responsive. Again, if your list is multi-column on desktop, you could easily shrink it to one large column when they're viewing on mobile. So let's get right to it. Okay. So let's open the page that you want to edit. First, let's add a container. Drop a container element into your page. Keep in mind we're editing the desktop version first, so make sure that desktop icon up top there is selected. Okay. So the container here that we just added will act as a main role for our table. So next, go to container settings and under the layout tab, configure it as follows. Okay. Set the display to flex. Set the direction to roll, because we are going to align the elements horizontally in the desktop version. Set the wrap to wrap so the content adjusts and doesn't overflow. Add a gap of 2% or 2 pixels or whatever percentage or whatever pixels you want to create the space between the cells. Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel in these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. Now let's add the cells. We're using the developments for cells. So you add one development first. Okay, and then we're gonna modify this development and then we're gonna duplicate it. That's the easiest way to do this. So for div element under layout settings, you set the flex basis to 20%. So each cell takes up 20% of the row. Set the flex scroll to 1 and the flex shrink to 1 so they grow and shrink proportionally. We're going to add a max width of 200 pixels to prevent the cells from getting too small. Now that we're done modifying the development, we're going to duplicate it 3 more times so we get 4 equal columns in the container. Okay. So now we are really done modifying the desktop version. So to make it responsive, let's switch to Mobile Breakpoint in Bricks Builder. Select the container and change the flex direction to column. Remember, we had it as row. Now we're going to change it to column for the Mobile Breakpoint. So this will stack the cells vertically for smaller screens. You could adjust the padding or margins if you need to improve spacing in the mobile version. For some extra styling, you can add a 1 pixel border to the container under the stop that. And then you've also add borders to each individual cell if you want. Now, yeah, you're done customizing the desktop version and the mobile version. Now it's time to customize the cells, right? You could, with your list, so you could add your text list or icon list or whatever you want and see how it looks on desktop and mobile and then adjust further accordingly. So if you want to fine-tune the gap, the min width, or the padding margins to polish your design, you can do that. So that's it. That's how you create a responsive list that spans the whole width on desktop, but narrows down to a single column on mobile using the div elements. Okay, so if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up because that really helps us out. And don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe for more Britsbooter tutorials, okay? And let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Again, thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. Bye.